Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. This is Ayushi Verma from Investolearn Academy, and today I'm here to discuss on the technical analysis outlook for the two major cryptocurrencies, which are Bitcoin and Ethereum. So I'll be talking about the daily chart, and we will be looking at the direction of the trend, the levels, and if we get some other information from the technical chart, we'll be talking about that thing. So let's quickly get started with the Bitcoin first. All right. So this is the Bitcoin chart. So I'll start with Ethereum first today because we have a breakout here in Ethereum. So let us see, how it will work and, whether it is a sustainable one or not. So this is something, if you remember, we were talking about this thing continuously in the past few videos, that the price is continuously creating the higher low, so which is a sign that we might see a upside breakout, and this is what exactly happened here. Also, that was one of the indication from the technical chart. Also, if you see these two trend lines, you can see that the price has just giving you a breakout here at this point of time, and this is a very perfect situation for a buyer, because here you are not only getting the breakout from the resistance but also from these two trend lines as well. So this is something, you are getting lot of upside indications, and that is exactly happened here. So the breakout is here, and around 200 points breakout is there. So the resistance was at 1215. I think it's more than 200 points. So the resistance is at 1215, and now it's currently trading at just a second, it's currently trading at 1460. So it is like, around 250 points, around that we are gaining here. Now for this thing, what can happen now? Look at here, this is the immediate resistance, right? So now we need to change it, and we need to change the levels. I have not changed this because I just need to show you that how the levels worked in the past, and now you would be able to understand that how these levels behave. Now for that, what we need to do, we just need to remove this particular R2, and this will be R2, this will be R1, and this will be S1, and this will be S2. So let me just remove this particular level as well. So this is how you can just trade it. So now you can see that immediate resistance could be your 1510. So this is how you can just take up this particular resistance. So 1510, again at that level we will be seeing that whether the price is able to break it or not. One thing which which we need to look at here is the breakout of the Bitcoin, because the Ethereum is somewhat, all the cryptocurrencies are dependent somewhat on the Bitcoin. So Bitcoin, in case of the Bitcoin, we have not seen the breakout yet. We'll be talking about that once we'll move on to the Bitcoin chart. So here what we can see that around after the breakout, that day on 16th it was up by 10%, and then it was up by 9%. So more or less, to even today market is still open, so today's closing will be an important one. So we need to see whether the price will close at a higher percentage, or the where the price will go. So that is something which we need to see, because if today we are getting a good green candle, we might able to see this 1510 resistance very soon, and if not, then we need to see what can happen. So this is something you can just wait, but as of now you can see the buying momentum is showing, but the main activity, main trading happens in the later in the day, around in the evenings time. So that is the time which is very important for the Ethereum. Now coming to the Bitcoin, and Bitcoin is basically, it's rising, it's going up, but still the breakout didn't happen. So what you can see, it is up by around 7% today. So but still you can see after a very long time the price is trading at around 22,300 levels, and resistance is at 22,600. So this was the resistance, and we just need to wait. And also here also we are getting both conditions, that there is a trend line, there is a resistance, and price is continuously moving up. So the lows are increasing, and that is again a good sign. So here the situation of getting a breakout is just forming. So we just need to wait for that. So as of now, that doesn't happen. Now there could be two situations. If the breakout happens here in Bitcoin, we can see little bit more upside in Bitcoin, of course in Bitcoin, as well as in Ethereum as well. Also, if the breakout doesn't happen, or if there is a false breakout, you will see that the price of Ethereum will also come down. So the price of Bitcoin will definitely come down, but the price of Ethereum will also come down. So that is something which is very, very interesting. But as of now, what we can see, we can just keep all eyes on Bitcoin, and if we get a breakout here, that will be good. So this is something, the power of technical, I would say, because we are getting very clear indications before this breakout, that this breakout may happen. And again, all the buyers who want to take the buying position, they will be able to understand it in a better way, and they would be able to take trades in the right time. So the main thing is to take the right entry and right exit. So this is something, you would be able to make more profits if you are following this strategy. So this is something, you can get lot of indications in Bitcoin here for the breakout, and if breakout happens, you will definitely see the price may reach to 25,823. So as of now, what we can see, and that we are taking the resistance at 22,600 and support at 20,000. And if in case if the closing happens higher than 22,600, then we will again change the levels for the next trading session. So this is something which is very important for the Bitcoin as well as for the Ethereum. So I hope you are learning something. So if you are finding this content, this video useful, please subscribe to the channel, like the video, motivate us, so that we can be like making more content for you, and also hit the notification bell icon so that you don't miss out any future notifications. So that's all from my side today, and thank you so much for watching us.